Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside YouTube Studio after signing in with the channel you manage. First, upload your video file and fill the title and short description so viewers know what to expect. Once done, add a clear, high-contrast thumbnail and confirm your upload defaults to save time on future videos. Make sure to set basic visibility, public, unlisted, or private, because this determines immediate access. These first steps get your content into the system and establish discoverability and branding right away. Now focus on optimization and configuration to help the video perform. Add relevant tags and place the video into one or more playlists because that boosts watch time and session duration. Next, configure language, subtitles, or captions and set appropriate age restrictions. This ensures compliance and accessibility. If eligible, enable monetization and choose ad formats, skippable, non-skippable, or overlay to control revenue. Finally, review advanced settings like license type and comments to shape community interaction and long-term discoverability. Finish by publishing or scheduling the video and double-check end screens and cards so viewers can keep watching your content. Once live, monitor analytics for views, watch time, traffic sources, and audience retention to understand performance and iterate. Use real-time reports in the first 48 hours to catch early trends. If something goes wrong, video stuck processing, copyright claims, or visibility issues, reprocess the upload, dispute or resolve claims properly, and make small visibility changes to retest reach and metadata effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.